Number 10. Product review. Electric Spin Scrubber, 520 revolutions per minute. Cordless cleaning brush with 6 replaceable brush heads. The Electric Spin Scrubber by Pelda is a powerful cleaning tool that offers convenience and efficiency for all your cleaning needs. With its cordless design and adjustable features, it provides a hassle-free experience for users. One notable feature of this product is its impressive speed of 520 rotations per minute, RPM. This high-speed rotation ensures that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned, saving you time and effort. Whether you're tackling tough stains or simply maintaining cleanliness, this spin scrubber is up to the task. The 6 replaceable brush heads included with the product are another highlight. Each brush head is designed to serve a specific purpose, allowing you to customize your cleaning approach based on the surface or dirt you're dealing with. From round brushes to L-shaped brushes, this variety ensures that you have the right tool for every job.